Have you ever wondered why some people seem to make money effortlessly while some others struggle to get by? The truth is, it's not about how much you earn. It's about understanding how money works. Stick around and I'll break down the key principles of money so you can start making it work for you. Hey, I'm AnthonyDoty, and I'm here to help you automate your routine, manage what matters, and dominate your financial future one step at a time. Today, we're diving into the basics of how money works so you can take control of your finances and build the life you want. Most people were never taught how money really works. Schools focus on earning and spending, but they skip the key principles like saving, investing, and leveraging money to build wealth. So why does this matter? Because without understanding these principles, it is easy to fall into debt and start living paycheck to paycheck and feel trapped. The good news, once you understand how money works, you can break free and take control. So what's the solution? So by learning how money works, you can create a system that grows your wealth, reduces stress, and gives you financial freedom. So let's take a look at three key principles of how money works. Number one, money flows like water. You have to direct it. So money needs a purpose, okay? Whether it's saving, spending, or investing, every dollar should have a job. So why does this matter? So without a plan, money slips away unnoticed, just like water leaking from a pipe, right? When you sign every dollar to a job, you'll stop feeling like your money disappears and start seeing real progress toward your goals. So for me, this means using a budget to track where my money is going and ensuring it aligns with my priorities. Take a look at number two. Compound interest is the key to wealth. So compound interest means your money earns money. And over time, those earnings grow exponentially. So why does this matter? So whether it's building savings or paying off debt, understanding compound interest can work for or against you. So by starting early and being consistent, you can turn even small amounts of money into significant wealth over time. So let me give you an example. So let's say you invest $100 a month at a 7% return. In 20 years, you'll have over $50,000, not from working harder, but letting your money grow. So let's take a look at number three. Debt is a tool, not a trap. So debt isn't always bad. It depends on how you use it. For example, credit cards can help build your credit score when used responsibly. Why it matters. Mismanaged debt creates stress, but leverage correctly, it can help you achieve your goals faster. So you'll learn to avoid the pitfalls of bad debt and use good debt strategically to grow your wealth. So let me give you an example. So I've used balance transfer offers to pay for trips without interest while boosting my credit score. It's all about having a plan. So why does this matter? Let's take a look at three whys, okay? Why number one. Why learn how money works? Because without this knowledge, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and out of control. Let's take a look at the second why. Why focus on these principles? Because they form the foundation of every successful financial strategy. Let's take a look at the last why. Why now? Because every day you delay is a missed opportunity to build wealth and reduce financial stress. So let's take a look at some additional benefits of understanding how money works. So number one, empowerment. When you understand money, you're in control, not the other way around. So you'll feel confident making financial decisions that align with your goals. Number two, freedom. So learning these principles lets you build a life that isn't dictated by money stress. You'll have the freedom to focus on what matters most, whether that's family, travel, or pursuing your passions. Number 3, opportunities. So with financial knowledge, you can spot opportunities others might miss, from investments to better money management strategies. So you'll open doors to growth and security you didn't even know were possible. So what's one thing about money you wished you learned sooner? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and share more tips to help you take control of your finances. So remember when I said money flows like water? If you ever felt like you were trying to fill a bucket with holes, don't worry, you're not alone. The key is to fix those leaks and direct the flow where it matters most. So why I can help you. So as a financial empowerment coach, I've helped countless people go from feeling overwhelmed by money to mastering it with confidence. So why you should listen to me? Because I know what it's like to feel stuck. I've learned how to turn that around with the principles I just shared. So are you ready to take control of your money? Share your biggest money challenge in the comments below. And if you like a personalized guidance, book a free consultation today. So together, we'll create a plan that works for you. Remember, success isn't about juggling everything at once. It's about automating, managing, and dominating step by step. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one.